Introducing Aspire's range of safety alarms, giving you a complete overview and compliant guide for every contractor. Starting off with our alarm status indication. The green LED is constantly lit when mains power is on. The amber LED flashes to indicate a fault or status change. The red LED flashes to indicate an alarm. Test and hush can be triggered by pressing the center E button. Our unique auto dim LED status light automatically dims during low light levels. A fire risk assessment must be conducted to determine the grade and category of system required. British Standards splits alarm systems into grades A, C, D1, D2 and F1. Alarm categories consist of LD1 Optimum Protection, LD2 Basic Protection and LD3 Minimum Protection. Properly positioning alarms is vital to ensure that heat, smoke and heat, or carbon monoxide can reach the alarm promptly. If you have multiple fuel-burning devices or only a few carbon monoxide alarms, focus on these important areas. Ensure the alarms have been fitted with the RF Link module. Up to 28 alarms can be interconnected wirelessly via the RF Link function. Hardwired installation can also be interconnected. In RF Link coding mode, the first alarm will be assigned as the primary. All other alarms will be assigned as secondary. The RF Link alarm controller has 4 important and useful functions: test, locate, silence and memory. Complete a commissioning certification to show the type of system installed. The certificates can be downloaded by scanning the QR codes. Our Contractor's Guidebook can provide you with all the information you need. Your safety, our priority. Aspire.